The 3 best hair dye recipes with natural ingredients in every home. Recipe 1: Coffee. To revive your dark brown hair color, mix 2 tablespoons of leftover coffee grounds or ready-made coffee granules with 2 tablespoons of conditioner and add a little water to create a mask that's easy to apply to clean hair. Cover your hair with a plastic shower cap and leave the mask on for an hour or more. It's recommended to apply this mask several times in a row to achieve a very dark color. Recipe 2: Black tea. Black tea is known for its antioxidant properties, but it also naturally colors hair and has been used since ancient times to give brown and black hair a vibrant color. To color hair with tea, boil 1 liter of water and add 200 grams of black tea leaves. Let the mixture simmer for 30 minutes, then remove from heat and let it rest for 24 hours. Then, strain and use it to rinse your hair after shampooing. For a darker color, use the tea infusion as a mask, applying it to damp hair and leaving it on for an hour before washing. Third recipe: Chamomile. Chamomile flowers are known for their ability to lighten hair color and revive chestnut strands. To prepare a hair lightening solution, mix an equal amount of chamomile flowers, calendula herb, and turmeric powder and add 2 cups of boiling water. Let the mixture rest for 20 minutes, then strain and apply it to washed hair. Leave this infusion on your hair for 30 minutes before rinsing. For faster results, it's recommended to repeat this mask after each shampoo.